Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel All in 1K, and in this video we're gonna discuss about MFA. What is MFA? MFA is a multi-factor authentication in AWS. So friends, first of all, access the AWS playlist and subscribe our YouTube channel All in 1K. So without getting any further delay, let's get started. MFA. So friends, to start the MFA in AWS, go to the security credentials. Once the security credentials is open, MFA is not activated for the root user are shown. Then go down. Here are multi-factor authentication is shown. Then assign, click on assign MFA. You can give a device name. Here I can give my table. Then you have to download Authenticator app. Here I can download Google Authenticator. So friends, this is the Google Authenticator app. So you can download it. So here I can open it and click on the start button. So here on our computer screen are shown show QR code. So I can click on show QR code and scan the QR code in the mobile app, Google Authenticator app. And it will give me MFA code, 2 MFA code. So first code are given and wait for the second code. So second code are also given. Then add MFA, click on add MFA. So here we can add MFA in our root user. So friends, we can log in again. So here I can fill the email. Then MFA code option is given. So here we can see in our Google Authenticator app MFA code is given. Then we can put this code in this box and then our root user can open. If this video is helpful for to you, then like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel All in 1K. Thanks for watching.